Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable the auto shutdown option in your Windows 10 and 11. So this is very easy step. Sometime you need of auto shutdown because your work is pending and you don't want to just shut down it right now. So you can schedule the shutdown. So how you can do this? Go to search bar and then type a task scheduler. Now you will see a task scheduler option. Open this. Now click on the option create basic task on the right side. Now name the task you want to give. Name it so that you can recognize it. Click on next. This is 1 p.m. Now click on next. Now you can choose here the option. If you want to perform this task on a daily basis, you can click on daily, or you can perform this on a weekly, monthly, or one time. You can perform this as per your wish and click on next button here after choosing. Now you can choose the date. Now you can choose the option when you want to shut down your system, and you can choose the time as well. This is the time you can choose as per minute and the hours as well. Now click on after choosing it, click on next button. Now click on action that automatically. Now click on next button. Make sure the startup program is selected here. Click on next. Now the name it as well, like shutdown. Like this. Click on here, add arguments. Now adding argument is very important. This is the most important in this task scheduler. Add the forward slash, then type here s, then give space, then forward slash, and then type here s, then give space, then type forward slash. Now type here t, then space, and then 0. Okay, this is the very important. You need to follow this. Click on next button. Now click on finish, but I don't want to give the description. Now click on finish button. Okay, now the scheduler is enabled. Now your system will be shut down whatever time you have selected. So this is how you can enable this option to shut down your system at particular time. Hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.